Hey everybody, it's your girl Ashley. I am back with another IGTV video about supporting and letting you know about Black-owned businesses. Some of you may have heard of this business, some of you may have not. But hey, hi, sorry. And Royal's over here too. She wants to say hi.
Hi.
Hi. So I just wanted to really quickly come on here and tell you about True. True is a Black-owned laundry detergent company. I had heard of them a long time ago, but I think at the time they weren't in stores. So I'm just like, you know what, I wasn't down for online ordering laundry detergent when I had clothes to wash today. And I remember in my last video I talked about, I got clothes now that I want to wash. So I went on there recently and found out that in Georgia, they're at 30 locations. You could find this product at Seven Nandas. That's where I got it from. Like when I found out, I just ran out because actually I needed some laundry detergent. So I was just so happy that I could get a Black-owned brand. It's called True. I got the free and clear, so it doesn't have any fragrances or dyes. I really just like my clothes to smell like clean clothes and not like any type of lavender or anything. But like in Georgia, 30 different locations. I didn't really count, but it looked like a lot of locations carry this product. I did wash a load. My clothes came out very clean. And the great thing about it is you can get 101 loads out of it because you only use like it says 1/4 of a cup or 1/8 of a cup. So you really don't even use a lot, and the clothes got very, very clean. So just, Royal, stop touching it, please. Child. So just go to their website. Is it on here? I don't want to give y'all the wrong website. Oh, thetrueproducts.com. Go to their website, look for the location in your neighborhood. I'm not really had in several different states, but I definitely would say support Black-owned businesses. And this is a laundry item that, I thought I'd never see, and there's so many others, and I'm gonna try them all. I really am. But yeah, just wanted to come real quick while I look like this, because I'm about to go out. Don't spit up on me. All right, peace. Bye, Black, y'all.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. He about to spit up, Lord Jesus.